In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive in File Explorer, a really handy tool for managing and accessing your files seamlessly on Windows. Now, whether you're new to OneDrive or just need a refresher, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service that integrates directly into your Windows File Explorer, making it super convenient for saving files in the cloud and accessing them from any device. So, let's dive right in and get started on integrating OneDrive with File Explorer for a more efficient workflow. First off, let's ensure that OneDrive is installed and signed in on your computer. If it's not already installed, you can easily download it from the Microsoft website. Once installed, open it and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This step is crucial because it allows OneDrive to connect your files to the cloud. After signing in, your OneDrive folder will appear in File Explorer, right under Quick Access, which makes it easy to navigate. Now, with OneDrive integrated, you'll notice there's a green checkmark, or maybe a cloud icon, next to your files in the File Explorer OneDrive folder. These symbols indicate whether the files are stored locally on your device or only in the cloud. If you see a green checkmark, that means the file is available offline and stored on your computer. A cloud icon means the file resides only in the cloud, freeing up local storage space. To change where a file is stored, right-click on it, and select Always Keep on this device to download it or free up space to remove it locally while keeping it in the cloud. This dynamic option helps you manage storage efficiently. To upload a file or folder into OneDrive using File Explorer, simply drag the desired item into the OneDrive folder. This action will automatically sync the file to the cloud. If you'd prefer not to drag and drop, you can also right-click on the item, choose Move to, and select your OneDrive folder as the destination. This ease of syncing ensures that your files are safely backed up and accessible from anywhere, fostering a workflow free of point-of-failure concerns. To share a file or folder using OneDrive, right-click on it within File Explorer and select Share. This option brings up the sharing interface where you can set permissions, like allowing others to view or edit the file, and then send the link. Sharing through OneDrive is not only convenient but also secure, allowing you control over who can see or modify your content. OneDrive also allows you to easily access your files from any computer. Just log into the OneDrive website using your Microsoft account, and you should see all your files there, precisely as you organize them in File Explorer. In conclusion, using OneDrive in File Explorer is a fantastic way to streamline your work across numerous devices and locations. Remember to regularly check your sync status icons and manage your storage settings to ensure efficient use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.